She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Jasmine here, and for today's video I have a vlog for you guys. I know what you guys are thinking, I never vlog. I haven't posted a vlog in months, and you guys are right. I haven't had the chance to vlog lately. I really love vlogging, but I've just been really uninspired, and I feel like my life has been really boring. I used to think that if I do vlog my day, it has to be like really exciting, but I realized over time on YouTube I love watching like the chill, like laid back vlogs of like just people doing their routine, like Maggie McDonald's, Emma McDonald's, Natalie Barbu, Brooke Michio, all the girls from like the East Coast. I love watching them and I've been obsessed with them. So I decided I want to vlog a day in my life too, because I do love vlogging. I love looking back at my vlogs and just looking at memories and stuff. Today I'm just going to be trying to do a productive work day in my life. I'm going to take you through what I do for work. I used to work at a restaurant and I used to like go there and work, you know, a regular minimum wage job, but recently I stopped working there for the past like 2 months, and I just been doing YouTube and Depop full time, and I've been making like more money than I did working at the restaurant. I've been really enjoying it lately because I love selling for Depop. I love styling stuff for Depop. I love filming videos for you guys. Today I have a bunch of things that I have to do for Depop and a couple things I have to do for YouTube. It's now 11:20. I woke up around 9:30 and I like chilled in my bed for a bit. I took a shower and then I made some coffee. I make this coffee every morning, so if you guys want to know how I make it, I'll probably put it in a future vlog if you guys want. So I really want to start vlogging a lot more for 2020. Also for today's video, I'm probably gonna title it a productive work day in my life, but I might like continue the vlog tomorrow because I'm also doing some stuff for YouTube and Depop tomorrow, so it's gonna be like a 2-day vlog. I'm gonna end off this part of the vlog now. I'll probably drink some of my coffee, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah.
Hey guys, so as you guys saw, I cleaned my room. I'm gonna start getting ready now because I'm probably gonna leave soon to go to the post office. My makeup routine every day, or my daily like getting ready routine, is not that interesting. I normally don't wear makeup, and if I do, it's like mascara and eyeliner. I look very pale right now. I am just very pale, so I'm sorry if I look funny. So for my routine, all I'm gonna do is put on some moisturizer. I really need to get a new moisturizer because I had another one, but I ran out of that and it's like $50 and I didn't want to buy a new one yet. So I'm just using this for now. Cetaphil is my baby. I love Cetaphil. I always use it on my body, so I might as well use it on my face. Maybe that's not good, but who knows. Normally for my everyday makeup routine every day, I don't do this. Well, I do this most of the time. I definitely do this most of the time, but it's not really a makeup routine. All I do is like put moisturizer on my face, I put on some chapstick, and I curl my lashes. I don't put mascara on every day. It's definitely not like an interesting makeup routine. Like, I need to learn how to put on makeup correctly because I don't even know how to apply foundation. Like, whenever I want to get my makeup done, I can never do it myself. Like, I have to ask my friend to do it for me, and it's kind of like a hassle and I feel bad. So I'm gonna try to learn how to actually put on makeup. Maybe I have so much makeup. Like, I used to get like a lot of like makeup sent to me by BoxyCharms. I don't know why they sent me makeup. I was not even a makeup YouTuber. I make mostly fashion haul videos. So yeah, I have a bunch of palettes and like makeup products that I never use. So I really want to learn how to like actually put on makeup so I could what's it called? I could put on makeup, I guess. Right now I'm putting on moisturizer because like it's kind of cold right now. My skin has been getting really dry lately. I'm probably putting this on all wrong. Like, someone's probably judging me right now, praying for my skin. But this is how it works for me. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Every time I do this, it looks like I'm gonna rip off my eyelashes, but hopefully I do not. I'm so jealous of all my friends that have nice eyelashes. My friend Samira, she's half Persian, half white, and her eyelashes are so nice. I get so jealous every time I see them. Like, her lashes are literally longer than mine when I wear like mascara. So like her lashes are just bomb and I'm jealous and I really want them. So yeah, I'm trying to brush it out a little bit. I do this sometimes when I don't like the look of it too much. Alright, so this is my makeup look. Not interesting. Literally just curled my lashes, put on moisturizer and chapstick. So yeah guys, so I'm about to leave for the post office now. I just have all my packages in this box. There's like a bunch of them. This is really heavy. If you guys are wondering, this is my packaging. If you guys want a video where I just like show you guys how I package my items, definitely let me know. I'll be glad to do that. I love watching these like Depop organizing videos like that. So yeah, I'm about to leave for the post office now. This is my outfit that I have right now. Sorry if this mirror is like really dusty. I haven't cleaned it in a while. I'm just wearing a pair of Brandy Melville sweats. I wear these all the time. Honestly, they kind of smell bad right now because I haven't washed them, but I promise I will wash them after this. And I'm wearing also a Brandy Melville shirt I just got. This one just says Cowboys on it. It was in my last haul if you guys saw that. And then I have my Air Force Ones. I literally wear these shoes like every day. And then I have a puffer jacket that I got from Yes Style. If you guys want anything from Yes Style, I'll leave my discount code on the screen or down below. They just have really cute jackets and stuff. I feel like this is definitely like a casual outfit I wear. It's not very crazy. I like it a lot. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna wear to the post office. The post office is about to close in like 30 minutes, so I'm gonna leave now because I don't want to miss it. So yeah. So as you guys saw, I just dropped off all my Depop packages at the post office. I'm now in the parking lot vlogging. I'm hoping no one's staring at me. That would be awkward. Sorry, my camera just got cut off because someone was staring at me and I felt awkward. So yeah, I used the wagon because a lot of the times when I ship for Depop, I have my boyfriend help me bring the packages because there's a lot of packages and I cannot carry them all to the post office. So I have him come with me. But for this round, he was busy today, so I had to go alone. And whenever I go to alone, I have this like big wagon my dad gives me, and I just put everything in a wagon and I roll it. Also, if you guys are wondering, my post office is in a mall, so that's why I have to have the wagon because I have to walk through the mall a little bit. Now that I dropped off all the Depop packages, I'm probably gonna go home now and like make some food to eat, and then probably get started with all like the Depop like posting. I have a bunch of stuff that I just washed that I got from the thrift store and other places. I have a bunch of really cute sweaters that I want to crop for you guys and just cute clothes in general that I want to post, so definitely check out my Depop if you guys want to see that. I'm always doing buy two get one free, and right now on my Depop a majority of the items are 25% off, so definitely check it out. I'm gonna head home now because I'm tired and I don't want to sit in this parking lot for too long. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm at home. Hey guys, so I took a break for like an hour and I was just chilling a bit, and I'm back now. I decided to organize all the things that I'm going to be selling on my Depop. Not everything, but all the stuff that I've recently got from the thrift store that I want to like crop and list and take pictures of and all that. So yeah, I have it all like right over here. This is not all of it, but this is a majority of it. Right over here, I just have a bunch of like sweaters and sweatshirts that I'm not gonna crop. I'm just gonna post it as is because I feel like it's already really cute. I got a bunch of Argyle print because Argyle has been like really popping lately. As you can see, I got a bunch of it. All of these over here I'm planning to crop, and also all of these. I got a Gap hoodie because Gap hoodies have been like kind of trending lately. Not sure. And then these are just a bunch of bottoms that I'm gonna sell. I got like a pull-and-bear skirt. This over here is just like a corduroy pair of like bootcut jeans, and I've seen this all over Brandy Melville for like $40 to $50. It's so expensive, so I'm probably gonna list this for around $20 or so. I got a pair of perfect black vintage looking Levi 511s. These are so nice. I'm super excited to list this. I got another pair of Levi's. I've been obsessed with Levi's. These are a gray pair, which is really interesting because I never really find gray pairs of Levi's, and these one fit really nicely, and everything about them are just so nice. I'm super excited about this. I got a pair of Old Navy jeans. I honestly will probably keep this for myself because it fits me perfectly. I never knew I would like a pair of Old Navy jeans, but these fit me perfectly, so I'm gonna keep them. And lastly, I have a pair of like Calvin Klein mom jeans. These are so cute. I love them so much. So yeah, if any of the things that I showed you guys like, definitely check out my Depop. Everything will probably be listed before this video goes up, so definitely check it out. There's probably still a couple things left. I'm also doing buy two get one free, so if you have a couple things that you like, definitely let me know. DM me on Depop. I'm gonna start cropping the shirts now. So I'm just gonna do the rest of these off camera because I feel like it's just gonna be very repetitive and the same thing, and I'll just see you guys when I'm taking pictures for it. I'll show you guys how it looks like. I already tried a couple on and they're so cute. I'm super excited about it. So yeah, again, if you guys want any of this stuff, definitely check out my Depop because it will probably be posted before I post this video. Guys, so I lost track of time and forgot to film myself taking pictures for Depop, so you guys are not going to see that for this video. I just finished taking pictures for all these items. There's so much. Like, it's just a lot and I really have to clean it right now. Honestly, I think that's all I'm gonna show you guys for today. I'm probably gonna go to sleep soon and then I'll continue this vlog on to tomorrow because I am going to a cafe to like post some stuff for Depop. And also I'm planning to film a video tomorrow too, so I feel like that'll be fun. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm probably at the cafe. Got the goods. Okay guys, so we're not at the cafe, but we're in like the parking lot because we want to eat our Chick-fil-A first before we go into the cafe. There's family walking by. The lady is wearing a bright pink tracksuit. Baby, that's us in the future. Oh my god. He got a sandwich. Baby, you have to show them what you got. Sandwich. And then I got some nuggets, but he's gonna eat it with me because I'm not super hungry right now. It's gonna be like a mukbang, but I don't even know if I'm gonna put this part in. I just want to show you guys my food. Look at it, they look so good.
Did you even pick up the sound?
Yeah.
Good camera.
I thought you meant the sound of me talking. Maybe I should go closer. It's not that crunchy though. Love ASMR. Okay.
Yeah, okay. That's so good.
And that old man almost parked in front of us. Okay guys, I'm gonna turn off the camera now and you guys will see us when we go into the cafe.
Fuck.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? I just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to.
Hey guys, guys, so we just left the cafe and we're just gonna head to a local library right now because like the cafe was really cute and the drinks were good, but the Wi-Fi was just not it. Like we kept on like disconnecting and we couldn't get any work done, so we're just driving to a library nearby. Probably not gonna just vlog inside the library because I feel like that might be illegal. Is that illegal?
It's not allowed.
I feel like it's not appropriate. I feel like it's more appropriate to vlog into a cafe, but like the library.
I can't even see the light.
We're gonna crash because you can't see. Is it green? It's green. Okay. If I don't vlog anything, this is probably gonna be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys like this video. Rate it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below any other videos you guys want me to film. If you guys want me to film more vlogs, let me know. It was kind of fun filming this. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!